Let's talk about pipes and cisterns. Nothing new in this topic. In place of different people working together, we will now have different pipes pumping in water to fill up the tank. Also, there will be negative work involved where there will be a leak in the bottom, or there will be some pipes which will be throwing water out instead of filling in. So we can directly proceed to the questions as they could be solved using either the LCM approach or the unitary approach. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 hours and 12 hours respectively. So A takes 36 hours, B takes 12 hours to fill the tank alone. Okay. Whereas pipe C can empty it in 24 hours. C can empty it in 24 hours. So C here is doing negative work. All three started working simultaneously. So we can directly apply the formula 1 upon A plus 1 upon B minus 1 upon C, because C is doing negative work. It will be equal to 1 upon T. This is what we have seen in the very first video of time and work topic. So put in the values. This will be 1 upon 36 plus 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 24 is equal to 1 upon T. And LCM would be 72 and T will come out to be 72 upon 5, that is 14.4 hours, which is also equal to 14 hours, and 0.4 could be converted to minutes by multiplying it by 60. 0.4 into 60 is 24 minutes. Same could be done by LCM approach as well. In this method we took LCM in the last step. Here this step is where we took the LCM of 36, 12 and 24. For LCM approach, we will take the LCM in the first step, in the very first step. So LCM of 36, 12 and 24 is 72, that we are going to call total work. 72 is the total work, and rate of A finishes 72 units work in 36 hours. So in 1 hour, A must be doing 2 units of work. In 1 hour, B must be doing 6 units of work, and C must be doing minus 3 units of work because C is doing negative work. So 24 hours are required to finish 72 units of work. In 1 hour, C must be doing 72 upon 24 minus 3 units of work. Minus because C is doing negative work. C is emptying the tank. When all three work together, we will add their individual rates. This will be equal to 2 plus 6 minus 3, that is 5. So 5 units of work is done when all three work together. 5 units of work is done in 1 hour. So 5 units gets done in 1 hour. 72 units, the total work will get done in 72 upon 5, that is 14.4 hours or 14 hours 24 minutes. You will find nothing new in pipes and cisterns if you have already understood LCM approach and unitary approach properly. Moving on to the next question. Pipe A supplies water at 50 liters per hour. So rate of pipe A is already given in the question. Okay. And pipe B can fill the tank in 4 hours. Pipe C can empty it in 12 hours. C is doing the negative work again. The tank gets filled in 1 hour when all three work simultaneously. So what is the capacity of tank? Let's say the capacity of tank is Q units, Q liters, and A finishes 50 liters. A pumps 50 liters of water in 1 hour. So for A, 50 liters of water is pumped in 1 hour. Q liters of water will be pumped in Q upon 50 hours. So now what is the data that we have? A can fill up the tank in Q upon 50 hours. B can fill up the tank in 4 hours. C can empty the tank in 12 hours. This is negative work. And all three can fill up the tank working together in 1 hour. So if we solve by unitary approach, we can directly apply the formula 1 upon A plus 1 upon B minus 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon T. That would be 1 upon Q by 50 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 1. Okay. solve this and you will get the value of Q as 60 liters. This I am leaving for you to solve. You will get the value of Q as 60 liters. The same thing could be solved using LCM approach. So till this part, everything will remain same. A will take Q upon 50 hours, B will take 4 hours, C will take 12 hours. Total work we can take as LCM of 12 and 4. Total work could be taken as 12 units. Okay. So rate of A takes Q upon 50 hours to finish 12 units. So in 1 hour, A must be doing 12 upon Q upon 50 units of work. So rate of A is 600 upon Q units, unit per hour. Okay. Rate of B. B finishes 12 units of work in 4 hours. So in 1 hour, B must be doing 12 upon 4, that is 3 units per hour. Rate of C. C takes 12 hours to empty the tank. 12 hours to finish 12 units of work. So C in 1 hour must be doing 1 unit, and that would be negative 1 unit because C is emptying the tank. Now when they work together, we can add their individual rates A plus B plus C. In 1 hour, this much work is being done, which will be equal to the tank gets filled in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, they are doing 12 units of work. So this must be equal to 12. Put the values of A, B and C here. A is 600 upon Q. B is 3 and C is minus 1. This will be equal to 12. Solve this and get the value of Q as 60 liters. So the capacity of tank will come out to be 60 liters. Once again, I'll repeat that there is nothing new in pipes and cisterns. Only the concept of negative work is there. Rest, everything could be solved using either unitary approach or LCM method. Thank you for watching.